Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. Students, today we start our class from 1:30. You know, so today we will do a new experiment. Uh, Already we have completed 2 or 3 experiments, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Too.
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to start another experiment that is band gap experiment, band gap of a semiconductor. Band gap of a semiconductor. We are going to band gap of a band gap of a semiconductor. This is our experiment today. So our target is to determine the band gap of a semiconductor by four-probe method. By four-probe method. So before determination of the band gap of a semiconductor, we have to determine or we have to study the temperature dependence of resistivity of a semiconductor by four-probe method. From there, we determine the band gap of any semiconductor material like germanium, silicon, etc. etc. When you go to measure the band gap of any semiconductor, we have to determine the resistivity of a semiconductor, right? Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Well, first we determine the resistivity. Just to discuss the theory part first, then we go to the setup and I show you how to take the readings of this experiment. Okay. All of you know the Ohm's law, that is V versus I. This is the Ohm's law. We all of you know, right? Or we may write the V is equal to any constant, that is constant of proportionality, that is V is equal to I into R, and R is a constant of proportionality. We know this is called the resistance of this conductor, and we also know that at a constant temperature, R is equal to, R is equal to, that is resistance is equal
Rho
to
L, Rho
rho
L
into
by A.
rho into L by A, right? L by A,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
L by A. তাহলে we can say that uh, this constant of proportionality, that is R, rho is called the resistivity of the material. This rho is called the resistivity of the material of the conductor. Therefore, this is 1 minute, students. Just a minute. 1 minute. Sorry, students. Sorry. This R is rho into L by A, and rho is called the resistivity. আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rho
Yes,
is
sir.
called the resistivity.
Okay, students. Okay. তাহলে here you will just see the resistivity of this material, which is equal to the resistance of the wire, and it depends on the length of the wire and its cross-sectional area. Okay, this is the resistivity of the material. Okay. Now, using this formula, we determine the band gap of this material. What is the working formula of the band gap? Now, band gap, that is, if we denoted by Eg, band gap Eg is equal to 2 into K log of this resistivity by its temperature, inverse of this temperature. This is the working formula to find out the resistivity. Band gap of the semiconductor.
EG means energy gap.
Energy gap. Band gap means energy gap. Energy gap. Right. This is our working formula. These are the things we
Sir,
use.
nothing is clear on the board.
Sir, is that log P or log A?
Log
Log rho.
log rho. Resistivity. This is rho.
Okay, sir.
This is log, this is log rho, resistivity of the semiconductor. So, students, using this thing, we can calculate the band gap of any semiconductor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, well, this is the working formula. Acha. First of all, the semiconductor we use here generally germanium or silicon. Their band gap or energy gap is different. For germanium, its value is near about 0.67 electron volt, whereas in silicon, its value is near about 1.14. 1.14 or like this 1.14 electron volt. These are the two types of semiconductor which is used in our laboratory. Okay. Working formula is given by this thing. E is equal to 2K, and K is the Boltzmann constant. You know the value of Boltzmann constant? 8.6 into 10 to the minus 5. This is the thing. We will supply this value also. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Anything, students? Achha. Now,
Sir, I can't see anything on the board because all are hazy.
all are hazy. It is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Students, this problem is to everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir. It's
Malvik
clear.
is
Sir,
right.
I just said. Sir, it is hazy. I can't see a thing too.
Sir, not totally hazy, little bit.
yes, sir. Not hazy, but
দেখো
not clear.
সোহাল এন্ড অনিন্দ মনে হয় এটা তোমাদেরই প্রবলেম, মানে তোমাদের সাইড থেকে প্রবলেমটা মনে হয় এসেছে, কিন্তু তাহলে বাকিরা কিন্তু দেখতে পাচ্ছে।
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
It is clear. So you just 1 minute. Students. So then now I am showing you some pictures on this band gap. Okay, students. First of all, you will just see the setup in our lab, which I used here. Now this picture is visible to you, students. Is it visible to you? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this setup, this is a 4-port setup. From this setup, we supply the current as well as we measure the current and voltage to the 4-port system. This is an oven. This resistivity change with temperature. That's why we use an oven. Oven is connected with the system. That's why temperature can increase the system, and we can measure the temperature using a thermometer.
Thermometer.
Which is inserted within the oven. Okay, and this one দেখো একটা ওয়্যার গিয়ে ঢুকছে, এই যে একটা স্টিল মতো দেখা যাচ্ছে না,
হ্যাঁ।
এটা
Yes, sir.
আমি যখন সেটআপে গিয়ে দেখাবো তখন বুঝতে পারবে যে here a semiconductor chip is attached with the 4 points. 4 means 4 এইরকম 4টে পয়েন্ট, এরকম একটা সিট আছে, semiconductor sheet like this, এর উপরে 4টে পয়েন্ট দিয়ে টাচ হয়েছে, 4 positions, in 4 positions. Okay, well, 2 are connected with the voltage, from where we can measure its voltage. We supply the current, and 2 are for current. 2 points responsible for the voltage measurement, and another 2 points are for current. Okay, and we measure it through this system. তাহলে within this plate, within this oven, this system is inserted within this oven. Okay, now just using the knob, we increase or decrease the supply current to this semiconductor. Corresponding, we measure the voltage. This is the setup, and when you go to the setup, I will show you in detail. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Acha. Then first we go to the setup. First we show you the everything and how to take the measure. Acha, देखो, from the working formula, it is very clear that we first of all we draw a graph. देखो, working formula ते Eg is equal to 2k log rho by 1 by t. তাহলে we have to draw a graph. First of all, we have to measure, we have to increase the temperature of the system. Corresponding, its rho will change because we know it is temperature dependent, resistivity is temperature dependent. So we measure the resistivity for a particular semiconductor for different temperatures. Okay, so we have to draw a table. You have to draw a table. Table just temperature increase করছি, as well as we measure the resistivity, and from there we draw the we convert the log value of this rho. Okay, log value of rho. Okay, and we draw a graph along the x-axis. We consider the inverse of the temperature, and along the y-axis we consider the log of this rho. So we will get a curve. From there, we take the slope of this curve and put the value.
So that part is not visible.
Huh?
That part of the board is not visible. Can you shift the camera?
Okay. Tale, first of all, we measure the resistivity for different temperatures. That's why when we change the 1 minute. Oh. Hello students. Since it is temperature dependent, so if we draw a table and temperature will change for different values, the corresponding we take the value of rho, and from there we take the log of this rho. Okay, log of this rho. So in this way, suppose different values will take, and finally we have to draw the graph where along the x-axis we have to plot the inverse of temperature. Denominator is 1 by t, that is inverse of temperature 1 by t, and along the y-axis we plot the log of rho. Okay, then we will get a curve. From this curve we find out the slope. Then that slope is equal to log rho by 1 by t. These values will be in this equation, and from there we calculate the EG. Okay, this is a calculation part. So before that you should know how we calculate this thing. First, to determine the rho. How will get the rho? The formula of rho is rho.
Sir, in table we will take out temperature and
Temperature.
in table what we will write? Temperature log P, and P will be what?
P not
Log
Rho.
Rho.
rho. Since we know the resistivity is dependent on temperature, so when we change the temperature, that's why we have to draw a tabular form. We change the temperature, correspondingly we calculate the resistivity of that particular temperature, and we take the log of this value, because in our working formula it is given log rho by 1 by t. So we have to take the log of this value. Okay, and we also draw a graph where we consider 1 by t along the x-axis, and log rho along the y-axis. From this curve, we have to take the slope, whose value becomes like this, log rho by 1 by t, and this value we put in this working formula. K is constant, Boltzmann constant. So from there we get the value of band gap, or energy gap. Okay, of that particular material, right?
Yes, sir.
Achha.
So at least how many observation?
At least 10 or 12 observation you have to take.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Temperature, first you have to take in normal temperature, that is room temperature. Then you increase the temperature up to 160 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. In gap, suppose 10 degree difference. Suppose you think now the room temperature is 20. Then first you take at 20. Then you go to 30, 40, 50, 60. In this way, in a regular interval, it will be better to plot the curve. Okay, that's why we get the irregular interval. And
sir, how many readings?
that is
10 to 20, 10, 15.
one thing is that, students, just listen to me. We have to increase up to minimum 160 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, 200 degrees Celsius. In between, in your choice, you may take several points. If you take the many points, then it will be easier to draw the curve. That's why what do you do generally? We take the point in a particular interval. Suppose first we have to take in the room temperature. Then if it is the 20 degrees Celsius now, then you go to the 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc. In this way, up to 170 or 200 degree Celsius. Okay. Now this rho is the resistivity of the material. How we calculate the rho? Okay. Now how we calculate the rho? The rho, first of all, the resistivity rho, or we consider constant, that is rho naught. This is the resistivity also. This can be given by 2 pi s into 2 pi s into V by I. This is the formula for resistivity. Okay. But what is S? S is the distance between the probes. You know, there are 4 point probes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 3 probes are touch the semiconductor. Like this, I draw the picture previously. Suppose this is the germanium semiconductor. Above it, 4 points are touched this. 4 points touched this semiconductor. Now S is the distance between probes. S is distance between probes. Between probes. And this value is given. It is in our lab, this is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. S is given. Okay, 2 millimeter. And another term, that is thickness of the crystal, which is called the W. That is thickness of the crystal. Thickness. A crystal that's a thickness, and it is also given 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Achha.
That's 0.5.
0.5 millimeter, right? 0.5 millimeter. Achha. But here we use a correctional term which is required for this experiment. Therefore, to get the actual resistivity of the semiconductor, we use that is which is called the rho. Here is written rho. Actual formula is rho naught, but here we will have to use a correctional term, that is rho. This rho is actual resistivity of the semiconductor, and it is given by rho naught by a correctional term W7, which is called W7. It is called the W by S. Okay.
Sir, rho equals to P. So what have you written? Rho equals to rho naught by
WS. Yeah, sorry, GS. Sorry. GS. G7. W by S.
Not understood, sir. That G7.
So what is G?
Rho naught is equal to a correctional term G7. That is
G7 is constant, sir.
this is a correctional term.
Sir, it is a correctional constant.
Correctional term constant, and it will vary from material to material. Okay. It will vary from material to material.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
G7.
Given then.
G7, it is written in this way. G7 means basically it terms at G or G7 for semiconductor of germanium. Okay, G7.
And G7 एंड पासे की लेगा.
W by S in bracket. W means thickness of the semiconductor. S is the distance between the probes. That is W by S.
Okay, sir.
This correctional term is used to get the actual resistivity of this semiconductor. Okay. Right? Now,
Sir, 2 millimeter is the distance between 2 and 0.5 is the thickness.
thickness of the semiconductor. 0.5 millimeter is the thickness of the semiconductor. Therefore, finally what will be the value of rho? Rho will be 2 pi s by G7. If we finally put all the values, it becomes 2 pi s into actually 5.89 into V by I, or you may consider this value 0.213 into V by S. Basically we use this one, that is rho is equal to this one. Now V will change according to I and rho will change accordingly. In the table where we get the value of rho with temperature, in this way we have to calculate the value of rho. Okay.
Sir, we will directly write the formula rho is equal to 0.213 into V by I. Okay.
Directly you may write this formula also.
Okay, sir.
I just explained before that how we get it.
Okay, sir.
স্যার 0.213 ভি বাই আই এর উপরে কি লেখা?
এটা 5.89.
Yes, sir.
This correction term is 5.89 for this type of semiconductor, that is German semiconductor.
Yes, sir.
5.89. This is the correctional term. This is the rho. Now all the things are same. This is the theoretical part we discuss and how we will calculate it. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so now we go to the experimental table and I will show how to take the reading, what is their different parts, etc. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to the experimental setup.
স্যার W by S টা কেন পুট করলাম না?
ওটা তো কারেকশনাল টার্ম, সেই কারেকশনাল টার্মটার ভ্যালুটাই হচ্ছে এখানটায় 5.89 ভ্যালু G7 যেটা কারেকশনাল টার্ম। এটা শুধু মনে রাখো, এটা একটা কারেকশনাল টার্ম যেটাকে ইউজ করলেই আমরা অ্যাকচুয়াল রেসিপিটা পাবো। অ্যাকচুয়াল রেসিপি
So 5.89 is G7 into W by S?
No, G7 it is not into. Its definition is W by S, like this.
Oh,
Okay.
Not
আচ্ছা, G7 means W by S.
सर लास्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है? रो इक्वल्स टू 0.213
0.213 into V by I. 0.213 into V by I. এটা পেয়েছি এই ভ্যালুগুলো বসিয়ে দিয়ে, S এর ভ্যালু, W ভ্যালু এগুলো সব বসিয়ে দিলে ফাইনালি এটা আসবে। তোমাদের ক্যালকুলেট করতে সুবিধা আর কি এখানটায়। ডাইরেক্টলি যদি আমি এটা রোটা পেয়ে যাই, তাহলে এটাকেই আমরা কনসিডার করছি রো ইজ হিয়ার অ্যাজ এ রেজিস্টিভিটি। ওকে, তাহলে রেজিস্টিভিটি যখন আমরা জেনে গেলাম ফর ডিফারেন্ট টেম্পারেচার, corresponding we can calculate its band gap also, because band gap is, you know, the band gap of energy gap Eg is equal to, you know, that is 2k log of rho y over y. This is the final formula this experiment. Okay, চলো এবার সেটা যাই। হ্যাঁ,
Yes, sir.
Please.
Hello students, now it is visible. The setup.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, this is the oven. Okay, I told you this is an oven.
What does that do?
Yeah.
What does the oven do?
Oven, it generate heat. This is the function of an oven. Achha. Inside the oven, I told you that the semiconductor, is placed here. This is the semiconductor chip. Achha, semiconductor chip ki alada ache na?
Sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये जो 5.89 वैल्यू है ये G7W/S का वैल्यू है ऑल टोटल.
No, this is a correctional term. No.
नहीं वो सर वैल्यू किसका है, G7 का कि C7W/S का?
It is termed as W/S, but actual value is 5.89, and this value is different for different material. You just omit W/S. Okay.
अच्छा W/S और G7 एक ही है क्या सर?
एक ही है, तो G7 its value is different for different material. That this is the correctional term to get the actual resistivity of a particular semiconductor material. Okay. अच्छा. Now you students.
एक्चुअल में आप बोर्ड पे दोनों लिखे थे तो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था.
अच्छा ठीक. Okay. तो देखो, the setup is like this. That is 4 points, 4 probe. Now it is same 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These 4 probes are placed on the semiconductor. अच्छा, semiconductor chip टा कोता है? You just wait, students. I am trying to show you this thing. देखो, it is placed on this flat surface, material surface, but this is not connected with the semiconductor. Insulator type material is here. On this insulator type material, the semiconductor chip is placed. Now, is it visible to everyone, students, the semiconductor chip?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ভালো করে একটা রেক্টেঙ্গুলার টাইপ দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is what, sir? Silicon or what?
আচ্ছা, on which we place the 4 probe like this. This is another part. So this one is placed on this semiconductor, and it is connected with the 4 probe setup like this. You just see 4 points. It's connected with the 4 points here. It's connected in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is responsible for voltage and 2 for current. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now at normal temperature, when first of all, what happened? We place this system. We insert this system within the oven. This is an oven. This oven also connected with this 4 probe setup. Now we place the insert the system within the oven like this, and এটা show me thermometer না দেখাবো তো কিভাবে ইনসার্ট করা হয়। সেন্সর দেওয়া আছে, এই সেন্সরটাই এটাই তো থার্মোমিটার। আচ্ছা, in this setup thermometer is already here, মানে using the sensor we use this thing, but we have another setup also where we have to insert the thermometer. That means we measure the temperature from this display system. Okay, first of all, what we do, we after doing all the things complete, we take the voltage and current in the room temperature, that is normal temperature. Okay, accordingly we'll get the value from here. There is one knob. When you turn the knob to the voltage direction, it will be the voltage reading, and when we turn it to in this direction, it becomes current. Okay,
Okay, sir.
স্যার ওদিকে 299 টা কি
ওইদিকে
কেলভিন?
করে-
এটা হচ্ছে টেম্পারেচার ইন কেলভিন,
ইয়েস স্যার।
টেম্পারেচার ইন কেলভিন। তাহলে যখনই আমরা এটাকে অন করে দেব, তাহলে টেম্পারেচার ইনক্রিজ করতে থাকবে, অটোমেটিক্যালি রাইজ করতে থাকবে। করেসপন্ডিং আমরা এখানে ভোল্টেজ এবং কারেন্ট বোথ আমরা মেজার করতে থাকবো এখান থেকে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে at first,
ডান দিকে ঘোরালে কারেন্ট পাবো?
হ্যাঁ, initially
Sir,
what we do, we supply a particular current to the semiconductor in the range of 3 milliampere. Here we already fix at 1 milliampere current. This current will supply to the semiconductor. এই যে semiconductor যেটা রয়েছে এর মধ্যে বললাম ওকে সাপ্লাই করা হচ্ছে 1 milliampere current we supply. Okay, now when we turn the knob towards the voltage, the corresponding voltage shows the now it is 7.7 suppose. Okay,
Sir, which reading we will write?
huh?
Which reading we will write? Temperature, current, and voltage. These three only.
At first we supply current, particular current to the semiconductor. Suppose here it is 1 milliampere. Okay, now
Yes,
we
sir.
turn the knob towards the voltage. This is the it's fluctuating. Anyway, students, suppose it is 1 milliampere. মানে এটা যদি কিছুক্ষণ রেখে দিই তাহলে এটা 1 milliampere হবে, whatever may be. We supply a constant current to the semiconductor. Here it is a 1 milliampere. Okay, now
Means whole
on the
experiment it will be at 1 ampere only.
1 ampere, এটা এখন দেখাচ্ছে 0.91, মানে সামথিং ফ্ল্যাকচুয়েটিং আর কি। এটা 1 milliampere যদি হয়ে যায়, ধরেন রাখলাম দিস ইজ 1 milliampere। ওকে, এটাকে আমরা অ্যাডজাস্ট করে নিই, দাঁড়াও। খুব ফ্ল্যাকচুয়েট করছে কারেন্টটা। সাপোজ ইউ কনসিডার যেটা দেখাচ্ছে সেটাকেই কনসিডার করো। মনে করো 1.23 milliampere কারেন্ট সাপ্লাই করছি আমরা। এটা নর্মাল টেম্পারেচার, রুম টেম্পারেচার, নাও ইট ইজ নর্মাল টেম্পারেচার। টেম্পারেচার যাই হবে না কেন, ইট মে বি 20 সেলসিয়াস ডিগ্রি, হোয়াটএভার মে বি। এবার আমরা এটাকে ভোল্টেজের দিকে টার্ন করলাম, তাহলে করসপন্ডিং ভোল্টেজ সোজ দিস ভ্যালু 10.4, যেটাই হোক না কেন সেটা আমরা নোট ডাউন করব। ওকে, এবার কথা হচ্ছে উই নাও start supplying the we on the oven. When we switch on the oven, that means temperature will rise because heat will generate within the oven. Just to see, the corresponding voltage will also change, and we have to note down this thing against the temperature. That's it. Now we switch on the oven. Okay, you just wait, the value will start changing, and corresponding temperature also.
স্যার ভোল্টেজ ভ্যালু তো বিশাল ফ্লাকচুয়েট করছে।
হ্যাঁ, দেখো temperature also change, and you note down from this display system. You just wait, students. It will take some time initially, then it will change rapidly. Okay, देखो it is changing 9.3 now 9.2, that is this value is decreasing.
So that is 9 point or 0.9?
9 point. 09.2 now. দেখো 300 Kelvin. Temperature changes, corresponding its voltage also changes. So in tabular manner, tabular way, we have to note down these readings. From there, we measure the resistivity for different temperature. Okay, and how we can measure the resistivity? I will show you the working formula, and the value of S also given. You have to finally what is the value of rho? Now 0.213 into V by I too.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I is
Yes, sir.
constant. I is
We
constant.
will take. Yes, sir.
I is constant value. V also
Sir,
changes.
I is always 1.23
হ্যাঁ,
milliampere.
obviously যখন আমরা ইনিশিয়াল পজিশনে যখন যেটা আমরা সাপ্লাই করেছিলাম সেটাই, this is the constant supply current to the semiconductor. So always
Sir,
we
and voltage
consider
is
this value.
0.98.
Sir, value is constantly fluctuating, then which one we will take?
Now it is changing, just you see, just changing. Now it shows the 10, 10.3, 10.4. দেখো, this value changing, temperature of the semiconductor oven, it is changing. Now it shows a 310 Kelvin. Now you just see this value also changing. তাই তো, চেঞ্জ করছে তো নাকি?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this way, we have to complete the table. Okay, students. So
So that is 315.
now 316.
43 degrees Celsius.
It is in Kelvin আর কি, ঠিক আছে?
Sir, how many readings we will take?
You have to take reading that is up to 170 minimum, or you may take 200 degree Celsius. 200 degree Celsius means 200 degree plus Kelvin. You convert this value in Kelvin, whatever you may.
73 Kelvin.
Accordingly,
48 degrees Celsius, sir.
accordingly you have to take reading up to this value. When it shows this value, up to this value, we have to take readings in every time. Okay, in this way you have to complete the table. From there you have to draw the graph. I will discuss the how we will draw the graph and how we will take the slope, etc. Okay, students, now we go to the board and we will explain it. Okay, students.
স্যার রুম টেম্পারেচার থেকে 170 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস অবধি কতগুলো রিডিং নেব?
আমি তোমাদের কি বললাম যে ইন ইকুয়াল ইন্টারভ্যাল আমাকে নিতে হবে 200 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস পর্যন্ত যদি নিতে হয়, রুম টেম্পারেচার যদি 20 হয়, 20 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস হয়, তাহলে ইন ইকুয়াল ইন্টারভ্যাল ইউ মে কনসিডার ইট আইদার 10 ডিগ্রি ডিফারেন্স নিতে পারো বা 5
ও
ডিগ্রি
আচ্ছা
ডিফারেন্স
আচ্ছা,
নিতে পারো,
ইয়েস স্যার।
যতগুলো ভ্যালু হতে পারে। আমাকে যদি টার্গেট বলে দেওয়া হয় 200 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস পর্যন্ত নিতে হবে, আর রুম টেম্পারেচার যদি পার্টিকুলার একটা ভ্যালু হয় দ্যাট ইজ 20 হয় সাপোজ, তাহলে ইন ইকুয়াল ইন্টারভ্যাল তুমি নিতে পারো। কেন আমরা ইকুয়াল বলছি? এটা গ্রাফে প্লট করতে সুবিধে বলে। এনি ভ্যালু ইউ মে টেক in between
Yes, sir.
20 and 200. So if we take in particular interval every time, it will be easier to understand and it will be easier to take the reading. Mane this value is always changing. This value, that is voltage value, is always changing.
ইয়েস স্যার।
So এটা তাহলে তোমাকে কি করতে হবে, পার্টিকুলার একটা পজিশন থেকে নেক্সট পজিশনের জন্য তুমি একটা টাইম পেয়ে যাবে। তাহলে ঠিক যখনই ওই পার্টিকুলার টেম্পারেচারটা এখানে চলে আসবে, তুমি এখান থেকে রিডিংটা নিয়ে নিতে পারবে।
ইয়েস স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, এইভাবে তোমাকে টেবিলটা কমপ্লিট করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে,
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, তাহলে এটা আমি অফ করে দিলাম। দেখো টেম্পারেচার রাইজ করে এখন 350 কেলভিন হয়ে গেল। আমি অফ করলাম, সিস্টেমটাকে অফ করে দিচ্ছি এবারে। ওকে,
Yes, sir.
এই যে এখানে এটা হচ্ছে টোটাল সিস্টেমটা অফ হয়ে যাবে, হয়ে গেল। আচ্ছা, এবারে ওয়েট করো, আমি তোমাদেরকে ক্যালকুলেশন পার্টটা বোঝাচ্ছি। The board is visible, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ওকে, তাহলে নেক্সট হচ্ছে যে তাহলে we draw the data in tabular form. তাহলে for a particular current we draw the table like this. তাহলে ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে one is temperature. Next is corresponding voltage. voltage. Then what we measure? We measure the rho. We will get corresponding rho because using this formula, rho is equal to 2 pi s 0.213
5.89.
V by I. Rho is equal to 0.213 into V by S, V by I. Using this formula, we can calculate the I. And I is constant. I is constant. Constant value. Okay. After getting rho, what happened? We take the temperature because in our graph, temperature inverse, that is 1 by T. We record 1 by T. Now, temperature we write it in the inverse form 1 by T, right? Then we take the rho, log of this rho. Log of this rho. This is suppose serial number, observation number, whatever it may be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose room temperature 20 degrees Celsius. In Celsius, 20 degree. Correspondingly, take the B. Now, suppose at 30, corresponding E, I, and we always convert it in Kelvin to in Celsius, degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. Okay. Corresponding in this way, we calculate temperature up to 160 degrees Celsius. Up to 160 minimum, or you may get up to 200 degrees Celsius. Corresponding, we will complete the table, right?
Yes, sir.
After that, what happened? We draw the graph. Now we draw the graph. I will draw the graph now.
Sir, but the reading has started from 350.
350
temperature.
Huh?
299
temperature.
Kelvin, sir.
299 Kelvin, sir.
299. 299. Then it is increasing to 330 to 350. Then how we will calculate 170, 160?
Calculate means you convert the degree Celsius into Kelvin.
Sir,
Okay.
Huh?
sir, we have to take the
Okay,
reading
got it,
from
sir.
this instrument, or we'll do it on
We have two
VLAB.
types of instrument. We have two types of instrument. One directly shows the Kelvin, another shows in Celsius degree Celsius. Okay. So when you get the Celsius scale, you convert in Kelvin, and when you get the direct scale, that is in Kelvin. So you here also you consider in particular interval. It may be 20 or 30, whatever may be. Just total gap is divided in equal divisions. My point is
Sir,
clear?
we had to take the reading from here when you showed on the screen, or we'll do it differently on the VLAB or something like that.
No, from the screen.
So, sir, we started with 299. So, which is 24 degrees centigrade. So, sir, 20 degree, how we are?
Depends on the room temperature.
Yes, sir.
Depends on the room temperature. The
So,
room
sir, we'll start from 24 only.
if it is with the 24, it will change day to day, day by day, right now?
Yes, sir. Sir, for 24 degrees centigrade, we got 10.4 voltage.
Okay, whatever may be. That is lowest one is the room temperature, highest one is which is equivalent to suppose 200 degrees Celsius. Corresponding the value in Kelvin. And you just divide it in equal divisions. That is equal divisions. It may be, if we think in Celsius scale, if it is with a 20 degree or 24, whatever may be the room temperature, then you just think if it is the 20, then you consider it is 30 degree, then 40, 50, 60 in this way. Or you may consider a small gap also. If it is with the initially 20, then you consider 25, at 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It is your choice. But you have to take reading up to 200 degrees Celsius. Clear? My question is clear to everyone.
Sir,
Okay,
that
sir.
current and voltage, we also have to write that in separate table.
Every time we have to take reading of voltage for the different temperature. Always current is constant. Supply current is constant. It may be 1 milliampere, 2 milliampere, or 3 milliampere, whatever may be. This current is constant.
His
The
current
voltage,
is
voltage will change when the temperature will change. So every time you have to take reading of voltage for different temperatures. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we go to the graph. How will take the graph? Working formula, you know, working formula, band gap Eg is equal to 2k log rho by 1 by 2. This is our working formula. That's why we have to draw a graph. Along the x-axis, we consider that is 1 by T temperature. Along the y-axis, we consider is log value of rho. You will get a graph. From there, you have to calculate the slope. So, like in this graph, we will get a straight line like this up to this point. Okay, but initially you will get when it's saturated, it will just turn like this. This value will change in this way. Graph nature is like this. Okay, this is the nature of this curve. But our slope have to take in the straight region. So we cannot consider this curved region. We consider only the straight region. So if we consider 2 points, suppose this one and this point. We consider these 2 points, so the slope in this way, you know. Suppose we draw a perpendicular on it like this. From there, we calculate the slope. Here, slope is equal to what? The slope is equal to log rho by 1 by 2. This is our slope, and we put this value in this equation. We get the value of log rho, Eg. ঠিক আছে? This is the
Yes, sir.
method of calculation, right? Okay, now we come to the virtual lab part. This is the physical lab part. Now come to the virtual lab part. Okay, students?
Sir, that is log rho by 1 by t.
Right, log rho by 1 by t. ठीक है अच्छा? अच्छा, now we come to the virtual part, virtual lab part. Okay, you just wait, huh? 1 or 2 minutes.
Sir, log rho by 1 by t we will calculate from the peak.
Calculate from the peak means you do
From
not
formula.
calculation should be in the state portion, not the curve portion. You cannot consider the curve portion. Nature of the curve will be like this. Okay, like this. So when you take the slope, we consider only the straight portion, not the curve portion. Sorry, it is not seen.
Sir, understood, but
Okay, we consider the straight portion. When you take the slope, we consider only the straight portion, straight line portion, not the curve portion. This is the thing. Okay. Hello students.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर हेलो
তাহলে ফার্স্ট আমি শেয়ার করছি ওটাকে। Now the screen is visible to everyone, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just to see, this is the setup. এটা জাস্ট আলাদা করে দেখানো রয়েছে কারেন্ট আর এটা ভোল্টেজ। Okay. This is the oven and 4-port setup inserted within the oven, and this is the control knob, oven control knob. So first of all, go to the right hand side. You choose any material. Here we change the germanium or silicon. Suppose germanium. Acha. Range of current minimum 20 milliampere, maximum 200 milliampere. আমরা ম্যাক্সিমামটা করে রাখলাম। এবার যেটা খুশি আমরা নিতে পারি কারেন্ট। তাহলে আমরা একটা কারেন্ট ধরো মনে করলাম এইটা নিলাম 27 milliampere. ওকে, আচ্ছা। Now you set it. Set করলাম। এবার দেখো we just run the system. তাহলে every parameter we already defined. That means we supply the current to the semiconductor. That is here it is 27.
Sir, cross section টা কি oven-এর?
Cross section is not required. When you cross section মানে cross section এটা দেখাবে। এই দেখো probe 1 port
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
it shows the cross section, nothing else. Okay, now when you start run, you will see the changing of the values, and you have to take reading every time. Suppose this is run. One minute.
বাট স্যার আমরা তো মেজার করছি না।
মেজার করবে তো, দাঁড়াও দেখি কি হলো।
স্যার টেম্পারেচার 25 থেকে স্টার্ট হবে।
হ্যাঁ, এখানে 25 আমি করে রেখেছি, বাট দেখি not changing temperature.
এবার দেখো
এই তো, now it is changing. Okay. The temperature maximum range টা করা ছিল না, maximum range যখন করলাম এবার it is changing from, দেখো every time when temperature changes the value of voltage also changes. Okay, here we supply the current is 1 milliampere. This is the constant term. Temperature automatically changing, and with change temperature you have to take the reading of voltage. The voltage changes. This is the thing, nothing else. Okay, now it is clear, students?
But you told to take the reading till 160 centigrade, but here 95 maximum.
Yes, sir, and 20 and
Yes, sir, and it's also starting from 25.
25. Suppose this is the room temperature. You may imagine this is the room temperature. Okay, and maximum is, দেখো এটা তো সফটওয়্যার, এটা একটা সফটওয়্যার, এখানে জাস্ট দেখানো হয়েছে প্রসিডিউরটা। 95 is maximum here, but practically you have to go to up to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, তাহলে এখানে 200 ডিগ্রি নেই, এখানে জাস্ট বোঝানোর জন্য this is 95, and your assignment should be within 95 because this is a virtual lab. So temperature is changing, accordingly the value of voltmeter also change. You have to write down it. Okay, again we reset it. Consider the germanium. যার জার্মেনিয়াম দেওয়া থাকবে সে জার্মেনিয়াম করবে, যাকে সিলিকন বলা থাকবে সে সিলিকন দিয়ে করবে।
So what is the use of voltmeter over there?
Use of voltmeter
means why we are using voltmeter over here?
because here two different setup is given. One shows the current and the shows the voltage. Voltage will change with temperature change. That's why here it is given two separate setup, but practically it is in one setup included everything. Okay, range of current, it is up to the, what value we may consider? 20 to 200 milliampere. Suppose we supply current to the semiconductor is like this, 29 or 35, 31, whatever maybe. This is 31, it shows the 31, and it should be constant throughout the experiment, you know. Now come to the temperature. Now we set temperature. What temperature? The maximum range is here 95. Okay. Now you run the setup. Run. What happened?
सर आप ऑलरेडी 95 कर दिए.
1 minute. Reset. Germanium. This is 200. We supply current is suppose 15. We set the temperature. Run. What happened? Software disturb kuch anyway, just wait. Germanium range 200. Current ji to 1 hi rakhi. Maximum 95. Then run. Okay, students, আমি আবার নতুন করে করছি, এটা বাদ দিচ্ছি। You just wait, students, just a minute. Now it is okay. Temperature changing, supply current constant, and accordingly voltage will change. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And range of voltmeter will be at, sir. And the range of voltmeter will be always on 10 volt.
Up to 10. Up to 10.
Okay, okay, sir.
স্যার ওখানে ওয়েট করালে কি ওটা পজ হয়ে যাবে?
এটা ম্যাক্সিমাম 10 রাখা রয়েছে। এছাড়া আমরা
না ওয়েটের যে অপশনটা আছে সেটা টিপলে কি পজ হবে?
হ্যাঁ, রোকনে কে লিয়ে
এটাকে জাস্ট পজ করে দেবে আর কি।
আচ্ছা,
এই যে আমার রিডিং নিতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, পার্টিকুলার কোনো টেম্পারেচার আমি রিডিং নেব প্রি ডিসাইডেড, তো তখন এই ভ্যালুটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, খুব ফাস্ট চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, তো সেখানে আমরা ওয়েট মানে পজ আর কি এখানে, ঠিক আছে। রান again it will start running. Okay,
yes sir.
In this way you have to complete this portion. Anyway, every instruction is given in your assignment part, so you can complete it. Okay. Okay, students, any question from anyone?
What will be the format, sir? How means it will be given on PDF?
Obviously,
Okay, sir.
যেটা যেরকম আগে করেছো, similar instruction is given to you. Accordingly, you have to act it. And finally, you just take a screenshot in PDF form. You send the assignment. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, what to write?
You have to write the experiment name of the experiment, theory, then working formula, then tables, and calculation, graph, result. These are the things you have to write down.
Sir,
Okay.
theory bhi?
Theory means working formula.
Okay.
And every instruction is given there in PDF assignment. The assignment of the office, every instruction is given there according to your roll number, etc., etc. মানে কারো সিলিকন থাকবে, কারো জার্মেনিয়াম থাকবে, কারো টেম্পারেচার দেওয়া মানে করা থাকবে, কারো আই মানে সাপ্লাই কারেন্ট টু দ্য সেমিকন্ডাক্টর may be different for different roll numbers, different students. Like this, every instruction is written clearly. Okay, in this way. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আর কিচ্ছু বলার নেই এক্সপেরিমেন্টে, তাহলে তোমরা এটা কমপ্লিট করে নাও। এর মধ্যে তোমরা যখন পেয়ে যাবে তারপরে you have give sufficient time to complete this thing. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye. চলো শেষ।
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, attendance?
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স অটোমেটিক হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
ও
Sir.
আচ্ছা।
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, please leave.
এই সৌমি এই জিনিসটা অর্ডার করলেন না তো?
Show me, please leave. Show me. Elan Raza. আমি ওকে বের করে দিই।